Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing well. I'm here with my new video on scooters available in Nepal for 2021. So guys, you all know that scooters have been quite popular in Nepal. If you have noticed the streets of Kathmandu, you must have seen a drastic increase in the numbers of scooters. People now have come out of the stereotypical thought that scooters are only for the ladies. Looking at the trend, it seems that regardless of gender, a scooter seems to be the easier choice for the youth today. Why? Affordability, less fuel consumption, no clutch and gears, smooth and easy rides, and much more. Scooters are probably the best commuters for the city. Not only it is easy to ride, it's light as well. Also, the rider will get ample space to put their belongings. Today, we are bringing you the list of best scooters you can purchase in Nepal in 2021. Let's start with Honda Dio. Honda is one of the most popular two-wheeler brands in Nepal, and Honda Dio has been around for quite a long time now. Honda Dio is arguably the best-selling scooter of Nepal, and now it has new sporty looks, making it more attractive for the riders. It also has a fully digital meter with an eco-speed indicator for precision and efficient riding. The scooter has tubeless tires and has a combi braking system (CBM) with an equalizer for optimum braking and stability. For a commuter scooter, it packs a lot of features like a mobile charging socket, front and rear hook to hang bags, Honda Eco technology, and service due indicator. It also has 18 liters of under-seat storage capacity. Let's move on to the specification now. Its engine type is single cylinder 4-stroke SI engine air cooled. Length is 1781 mm, width is 710 mm, height is 1133 mm, its ground clearance is 158 mm, displacement is 109.19 cc, max power 7.92 PS at 7000 rpm, max torque 8.91 Nm at 5500 rpm, top speed 83 km per hour, fuel tank capacity 5.3 liters, tire size, front tire size 90 by 100, rim size 10, rear tire size 90 by 100, rim size 10, a braking system CBS, combi braking system, curb weight 105 kg, mileage 55 km per liter, and black, green, yellow, grey colors are available in the Honda Dio. The approximate price of Honda Dio is 2,16,900. Let's move to the Honda Aviator. Honda Aviator is also one of the most popular and best-selling scooter in Nepal. It has a bold style and powerful looks and gives superior performance like Honda Dio. The Aviator also had a charging socket, HET engine, automatic headlamp on, tubeless tires, graceful alloys, and telescopic suspension. Other features include metallic front side and cover, comfortable upright seating. Honda Aviator also boasts a large 20 liters of under-seat storage capacity. Specifications are: engine type is single cylinder 4-stroke SI engine air cooled. Length is 1802 mm, width 703 mm, height 1162 mm, ground clearance 145 mm, displacement is 109.19 cc, max power 8.03 PS at 7000 rpm, max torque 8.94 Nm at 5500 rpm, top speed 83 km per hour, mileage 60 km per hour, fuel tank capacity 6 liter, front tire size 90 by 90, rim size 12, rear tire size 90 by 100, rim size 10, braking system CBS, curb weight 109 kg, colors are black, red, white and silver. The approx price of Honda Aviator is 2019 TVS Antorq is available in 5 variants. As for the pricing, the TVS Antorq price in Nepal is 2,15,900 of drum variant, 2,40,900 for disc variant, 2,58,900 for race edition, 2,66,900 for super squad and 2,77,900 for BS6 Fi. Similarly, Honda Grazia. Honda Grazia is the latest collection in the Honda scooter category. Grazia is powerful than other Honda scooters that are available in the market. Along with a reliable power engine, it is designed to look stylish and easy, and hence it has caused the attention of many. Grazia is also the first scooter to have an LED headlamp in any scooter. This gives super visibility to the riders. Compliant with BSIV emission norms, this vehicle is equipped with a 125cc engine and Honda Eco technology. Other notable features are CBS, fully digital meter with Eco speed indicator, front disc brake, alloy wheels with tubeless tires, telescopic suspension, front glove box with a mobile charging system and 18-liter under-seat storage. Specifications are engine type fan-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke SI engine. Length is 1812 mm, width 697 mm, height 1167 mm, ground clearance is 155 mm. Its displacement is 120.9 cc, max power 8.69 PS at 6500 rpm, max torque 10.54 Nm at 5000 rpm, top speed 85 km per hour, mileage 54 km per liter, fuel tank capacity 5.3 liters, front tire size 90 by 90, rim size 12, rear tire size 90 by 100, rim size 10. Braking system CBS, curb weight 107 kg, colors are orange, black, red, white, grey and blue. Approx price for Honda Grazia in Nepal is 2,22,900. Next one is Suzuki Burzman Street 125. It is the Suzuki's best-selling scooter in Nepal. It comes with stylish looks and powerful delivery. Style-wise, it has a multifunction full digital meter, luxurious LED headlight, position light, standard body mount, windscreen, flexible foot position for a rider, a side step and a chrome mirror. One of the excellent representatives of value for money proposition, Burzman Street packs pretty useful features for the riders. It has a fuel injection system, an integrated engine start and kill switch and a USB socket. Specifications are: engine type is 4-stroke air-cooled single cylinder. Length is 1880 mm, width 715 mm, height 1140 mm, ground clearance 160 mm. Displacement is 124.8 cc, Max power 8.7 PS at 7000 rpm. Max torque 10.2 Nm at 5000 rpm. Top speed 91 km per hour. Mileage 45 km per liter. Fuel tank capacity 5.5 liters. A front tire size 90 by 90, 12 disc. Rear tire 90 by 100, 10 drum. Braking system CBS, curve weight 110 kg, colors matte black, matte grey, matte silver. Price for the Suzuki Bushman Street 125 is 2,39,900. Next one is Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Street Rally. Compared to the 110cc version, Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Street Rally gets a 30% increase in power with 16% improved mileage. Ray ZR 125 Fi packs in sporty new looks, updated design, and a new engine. The scooter is packed with features like tough-looking headlights, two-level seats for greater comfort, and a brush guard that seals the rider's hand from oncoming airflow. It also has 21 liters of large under-seat storage. Along with the sporty design, the Ray ZR Street Rally also comes with superior hardware, tons of extra features, and a fuel injection engine. The company also claims it has the fastest pickup and highest mileage among its major competitors. Specifications are: engine type is air-cooled single-cylinder 2-valve fuel injection. Length is 1880 mm, width 750 mm, height 1190 mm, ground clearance 145 mm, displacement is 125 cc, max power 8.2 PS at 6500 rpm, max torque 9.7 Nm at 5000 rpm, top speed 86.51 km per hour, mileage 58 km per liter, fuel tank capacity 5.2 liters, front tire 90 by 90, rim size 12 disc, rear tire 110 by 90, rim size 10 for drum. Braking system Unified Braking System UBS, curb weight 99 kg, color blue and green. The price for Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Street Rally in Nepal is 2,61,900. The next one is TVS Antorq. It is one of the most powerful scooter in Nepal. The stealth aircraft inspired design, powerful engine, and smooth handling made the scooter popular in no time among the youth. Antorq is Nepal's first Bluetooth connected scooter. It is a powerful scooter that goes from 0 to 60 kilometers in just 9 seconds. It is also the first scooter with a 3-valve technology and a smart connect system. With Smart X Connect system, users will get navigation assist, last park location, and color ID. Some notable features of this vehicle are a USB charging port with boot light, gaming consoles inspired instrument cluster, and sports stubby muffler. Specifications are: engine type air-cooled single-cylinder 3-valve 4-stroke. Length is 1865 mm, width is 710 mm, Height is 1166 mm, ground clearance is 155 mm, displacement is 124.8 cc, max power 9.4 ps at 7500 rpm, max torque 10.5 Nm at 5500 rpm, top speed 90 km per hour, mileage 45 km per liter, fuel tank 5 liters, 5.8 liters in Fi, front tire size 100 by 80, rim size 12, rear tire size 110 by 80, rim size 12, braking system standard, curb weight 118 kg, colors are matte yellow, matte red, metallic blue, metallic grey, metallic red, and matte silver. And the scooter price starts from 2,15,900. And the next one is Vespa SXL 150. Vespa is the world's most iconic scooter brand. Vespa has always been famous for its classy and stylish looks. Among many variants of the scooter you can purchase, the SXL 150 comes with a new front look, new seats, and broader tubeless tires. It also packs features like a full LED headlamp, an underseat light, and a USB charger. Other features include a rectangular headlamp with rectangular mirrors, full steel body finish, chrome grab rail, and an optional matte color scheme. This scooter comes with all traditional Vespa traits such as solid build quality, lightweight, sharp brakes, and great handling dynamics. Vespa is also known as a fashion statement in the city. It definitely is a premier scooter, and everyone, regardless of gender and age, wants to have a Vespa. Specifications of this scooter are engine type air cooled single cylinder 3 valve SOHC. Length is 1170 mm, width is 6090 mm, height is 1140 mm, ground clearance is 155 mm. Displacement is 149.5 cc, max power 11.40 ps at 7000 rpm, max torque 11.50 Nm at 5000 rpm, top speed 90 km per hour, mileage 40 km per liter, fuel tank capacity 7.4 liters, front tire size 110 by 70, rim size 11 disc, rear tire size 120 by 70, rim size 10 drum, braking system standard, curb weight 114 kg, colors are yellow, blue, grey, white, red, and pink. Price starts from 3,75,946. And the last one, Aprilia SR 150. It is not only a perfect commuter but also the best performance scooter in Nepal. People can ride this scooter on every type of road in Nepal. It comes with a sharp and waspy design and probably the most powerful engine in the scooter segment in Nepal. It has a strong build and its strong low speed response make it perfect for city traffic. The handling of this vehicle is very good thanks to its amazing suspension, 14-inch alloy wheels and big tires. With the power and features this scooter has, it will not be a problem to take it for a long ride or off-road, which is unthinkable in other scooters. And also, this is the only scooter that can attain a speed of 100 km per hour. And the specifications are air-cooled, single cylinder, 3-valve. Dimensions are: length is 1985 mm, width 703 mm, height 1166 mm, ground clearance 155 mm, displacement is 154.8 cc, max power 10.19 ps at 6750 rpm, max torque 10.90 Nm at 5000 rpm, top speed 101.21 km per hour, mileage 35 km per liter, fuel tank 6.5 liters, front tire size 120 by 7, rim size 14, disc, rear tire 120 by 70, rim size 14, drum, braking system standard, curb weight 122 kg, colors available are red and green, black, red and white, blue, matte black. And the cost of Aprilia SR150 is 2,93,900 and will cost 3,16,900 for race edition. Thank you guys, this is my time. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and write in